Littledata provides automated insights for e-commerce marketing. Our Shopify integration allows stores to set up the correct Google Analytics they need to measure their store performance. Our audit page enables them to see exactly what data is collecting and how that's working. And our advanced audit enables them to integrate things like Google Search Console and Facebook costs. Dashboard gives them year-on-year and month-on-month comparisons in an easy format. The benchmarking feature enables them to see exactly which metrics they're underperforming compared to their peers. The buyer persona feature, they can build audiences based on their current converting customers. And then we have additional specialist report packs. For example, the Shopify pack, which provides conversion rate details for each market campaign and channel, and also allows them to drill down the shopping behavior for each product or product category. That's it.